Hello guys. So I think I need to find a name to call you guys, not just guys every time. Hello guys, hello guys, hello guys. Anyway, if you like hello guys, it's all right, just let me know. If you have an idea, let me know, because I just want something special and beautiful. Yeah. Anyway, hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning something new. Remember, our last lesson was pretty easy and it was a new addition to our word list. If you don't know what the lesson is about, please click on that thing up there, just click on it and it will take you straight to the lesson. You need the lesson to be able to continue. Yeah, I mean, you don't really have to know it, but you do have to know the alphabets and their pronunciation, okay? But it's best for you if you follow the lesson from lesson 1. This is lesson 3. Remember, if you have any questions, ask me. I am free to answer all your questions. Even if I'm not free, I will make time for it, because that shows me that you have interest in learning Igbo. All right. Okay, remember to subscribe, share this video, let people know about my channel and the things that I'm trying to do. All right, it will mean a lot to me. All right, let's start. How do you say family? Okay, family, ezinụlọ. Okay, ezi na ụlọ. But when you're saying it, you don't say ezi na ụlọ. No, you say ezinụlọ. 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 Okay? So join me, try to say it. Ezinụlọ. Ezinụlọ. That means family in Igbo. Okay? Good. Now, when it comes down to the members of your family, the nuclear family, I will teach you how to say the words, okay? All right, let's start with father, okay? Father, nne. Oh. All right, let's start with saying parents, all right? Parents, nne na nna, okay? Nne na nna. All right, nne na nna, parents. Okay, so listen again. Parents, nne na nna. That's it. Nne na nna. In fast utterance, you say nne na nna. That's it, parents. All right. Now you might say nne na nna. What does that mean? I don't understand. Parents is one word. Nne na nna is like 3 words. Well, don't worry. Nne means mother. That's it. Mother, nne. Okay? Mother, nne. That's it. So you want to try? Lovely. Okay, so mother is nne. Father is nna. Alright? Nna. So the same N, the difference is E and A. So for mother, nne. Father, nna. All right, good. So nne na nna is parents. Good. Nne is mother. Nna is father. Lovely. Okay, when you want to say brother, or okay, let's start with sibling. When you want to say sibling, you say nwanne. Okay, sibling is nwanne. So if you're the only child, sorry, but you can still learn it for future references. You never know. All right. I mean, your parents can be pregnant. No, your mom, not parents, can be pregnant. Okay, ignore me, please. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Anyway, sibling means nwanne. Nwanne. So when you're speaking, you say nwanne. All right. Remember our alphabets. That will help you to remember how to say these things. Nwanne. Okay, good. Now, brother is nwanne nwoke. Okay? Nwanne nwoke. Nwanne nwoke. All right? Brother, 2 words. nwanne nwoke. Okay, so you can try to pronounce it. Let me pause and give you some time. Okay, nwanne nwoke. Lovely. I hope you have that now. When you want to say sister, you say nwanne nwanyi. Okay, nwanne nwanyi. It might be a bit hard, or it might sound different or strange, but don't worry. Take your time, you'll get used to it. Nwanne nwanyi. So the nwanne is always there. So what you need to remember is the other part that makes it masculine or feminine. So nwanne nwanyi. Try it. Nwanne nwanyi. Good. All right. Nwanne nwanyi. Okay, so that's lovely. So brother is nwanne nwoke. Okay? Sister is nwanne nwanyi. Alright? Sibling is nwanne. That's so easy. Okay, that's lovely. Now, of course, you know all these words. You might want to know, what about me? What am I? What's me? Okay? It's mo. Me is mo. So M-U. Mo. That's it. So you can say nwanne mu nwoke, my brother. Nwanne mu nwanyi. But that might be a lesson for another time. So let's leave it here so as not to confuse you, okay? So guys, remember, I always say practice makes perfect. Practice is the key. Keep practicing and you will get better than me at speaking Igbo. Okay. So remember to share, subscribe, leave a comment. I need comments, guys. It helps me a lot to know what I'm doing right and what I could do better. All right? Okay, see you next time. Remember, go back to the lessons and learn them after this video. It will help you extremely a lot. It will help you extremely. All right, see you later. Bye.
Ohema, forget you, Missy, forget you, Ohema, what be the matter?